Kaleena by Margaret Morales in 30 by 37 cm squares, special treatment version 1, starts with snow pearls sprinkled on the white flowers. This one on her hair, as well as on her chin, on the side of her hand, and also right here around her neck. Kaleena Special Treatment Version 2, 30 by 37 cm squares by Margaret Morales now adds lime pearls that we have sprinkled in the green areas of the painting. So this should be pretty simple to do, as there are very visible green areas representing the leaves surrounding her. So sprinkle it in those areas, and this is for Special Treatment Version 2. Kaleena by Margaret Morales, version 3 special treatment in size 30 by 37 cm squares, now adds morganite crystals that are sprinkled in the pink areas of the flowers. So basically in the white areas you've got the snow pearls. These are the snow pearls, whereas these are the morganite. So if we come closer, we can see that these are the snow pearls and these are the morganite crystals. So on the white areas of the flowers we place snow pearls, and in the middle and other areas where it's a bit pink, we sprinkle the morganite crystals. So choose the areas you'd like to place your morganite crystals in those flowers, and this gives you version 3 for Kaleena by Margaret Morales in 30 by 37 cm squares.